It had spent 50, 60, 70 years with allowing nature to take its course. And so a site like this, which was covered with vegetation, was very difficult for us to even recognize what was here. Dr. Bergstressor had this idea of what was here. And we had some idea just because we could see old photographs and we knew what this thing was at one time and the smokestacks and chimneys that rose out of it. He having a vision of what it should be and the different pieces and parts and buildings and structures and things of that nature that existed here, he was able to see something that we couldn't. As he created his archaeological report, we started to get a vision of what was there. So surveyors came out, they cleared sight lines, they looked at building corners, they looked at the foundations, they looked at the different functions of the buildings and the proximities they had to each other, and we were able to piece together the story of what the Joliet Ironworks was. A site like this has many layers, both in the past and going on into the future, that the Forest Preserve District can be a part of telling and providing to our visitors. Over time, natural processes, freezing and thawing, will take its toll, and the site will continue to devolve. And what's important for us to recognize in that is that we've never tried to restore anything here, but only tell the story of what remains.